how to use find and replace in Microsoft Word. So if you want to find the text or message on your Microsoft Word, so for my example, to find, you'll have to do is go to Home on the page menu on the upper left side and go to Find icon here. So you can use Window plus F to show this navigation. But you can also click on this icon to show this navigation. Now you can search here on the left side the word you want to find on this document. So for my example, kabili. So okay, here there are result of 6 kabili on this document. So if your document is more than that or 100 of this, you can use this find to find the word and the fastest way. So if you change this word after you find, okay, you can click the replace on this navigation, or you can click on the replace below on the find icon on the menu in the home page. And okay, here you can see the replace with, so you can change the kabili. So for my example, I change kabili into 9s. So to replace this kabili, so click the replace button here. After you click the replace button, you can see here the 9s here in one sentence. But if you want to replace all of this word in your document, so you'll have to do is click the replace all button here. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully used find and replace in Microsoft Word.